nabanggit mo yung savings, how many
Sure.
percent of your earnings should you put aside as your saving or parang emergency? Parang set
Okay.
aside mo na, nakuha mo na yung sweldo mo, how many percent?
Rule of thumb, kung kakayanin, 20%. At least
Malaki.
20% tayo. Medyo malaki, yes. But we can go take baby steps naman, di ba? So, if you want, the first step, build your emergency fund. Emergency fund, when we compute it, is 3 to 6 months of your monthly expense. So, let's say kung monthly expense mo 20,000, 3 times that is 60,000, or 6 times of that is 120,000. Diba? So, dapat yun yung emergency fund mo muna. So, you can take it slow. Hindi naman siya parang kaya mo kagad siya in 1 month eh. It will take time, but again, a good rule of thumb, 20% of of your earnings or your salary should be your savings.
Ano,
Pero,
okay,
yes,
go ahead.
process.
Finish muna what you're
Sige,
saying
sige.
then. Okay.
But syempre, kanya-kanya siya. Di ba? If sometimes pumapalya tayo, 10%, why not? Di ba? At least meron. Then kung let's say bonus, lakihan mo 30% to your emergency fund or to your savings.
Paano naman yung mga sapat lang talaga ang kinikita, wala na
Yeah,
talagang puwang para mag-save. Maraming Pinoy ang ganyan. Ano pang
I agree.
maa-advise mo? How can they set aside money?
That's right. You know, one thing that I love also is when I was younger I love looking for side gigs. And I believe that Filipinos, lahat tayo maparaan. 'Di ba madiskarte? I think that's one thing that we Filipinos have. So when it comes to looking for, let's say, your side gigs, side hustles, laging tinatanong sa akin, ano ba magandang side gig? And lagi kong binabalik yung tanong na, saan ka magaling? Where is your talent? 'Di ba? Is it, let's say, computer? Is it editing? Is it hosting? 'Di ba? I'm sure meron kang isang talent that you can hone. And you can sell that talent. And ang kagandahan doon is libre siya. Di ba? For example, back then, I was great in launching events. So during the weekend, kung meron akong gig na nakikita na, oh, kailangan nyo ng PM or ng stage manager, nagigig ako. So even pagod na ako sa office, naghahanap ako ng side gigs ko on the side. And then that allows me to hone my skill, but on the other hand, syempre, ang kagandahan doon is may extra kita rin ako. Kasi di ba, ang hirap naman eh. I personally always try to also say na mag-ingat po tayo sa mga online lendings. Alam ko, na, madaling tukso yun eh. Ang dali mangutang eh. But, di ba, mahirap if ever wala tayong extra income, mahirapan na tayo bayaran yung utang po na yun.